Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. Welcome back, thank you for joining me today. My name is Jo and I do nail stuff and stuff with nails. I am finally getting around to showing you all the colours I have bought from Ballpit Nails. Maddox thereby, she is Ballpit Nails, and she does little reel videos on Instagram and TikTok, I think, of drawing characters and things, and her videos gave me this sort of confidence, I suppose, to try characters, and I've done a few since then. I have a character playlist if you're interested. So I thought I need to thank her, and how can I thank her? I can buy her stuff, but also, you know, I want to buy nail stuff. So this is the first collection she came out with around Halloween last year. So we're going to have a look at them. Oh, look at this, goosebumps. So up my street. Deep, dark burgundy. Yes, please. So we'll have a look at them. And then I have another collection. We'll swatch them. And then I've got the next collection. I think I've got, how many? I've bought 2 complete collections. And then I think she's had 3 releases or 4. Actually, I'm lying out my arse. She had, I don't know. But there's one collection that I didn't buy all of them because some of them were colours that I think I already had colours in my collection that were the same or very similar. But I think that was only on one of her. I think it might have been the Christmas one, actually. I didn't get all of those because I had colours similar. And I had to tell myself, don't just buy the whole collection so you get it all nice in the nice box when you don't need certain colours for it. Just get what you need. It's very difficult to do that. I did it that one time. I haven't been able to do it since. I've got the collections, but they're all so nice. I love them. So, oh, this one, Boo Thang. I feel like I can't say that as an English person. I can't say words like thang. You know, it just doesn't sound right in an English voice. Is amazing, that colour though, so good, so gorgeous. And then this one, is it Seance? Has little hollow strips in it, like long, well, they're not long, it's the nail world, everything in the nail world is f***ing tiny. But it has little hollow strips in it. So we're going to swatch them on these long pops. But I'll show you once I've finished swatching them on the long pops. But then later on, when I show all of the colours together, they're on short pops. I can't remember why I did these on long pops. Maybe to take pictures. Did I take pictures? I don't know. This was back around Halloween. I have no recollection of what I was thinking. But these pops, I don't like these long pops. They're good for swatching foils because you get to see more of the pattern. But they have a really high apex, and you kind of end up getting a little bit of a bald spot. So I don't go right to the back on them, of them, because it was just, you can see where there's a bit of a bald spot. But there you go. I was thinking, it was quite painful. I was thinking how we haven't had a Lovers and Haters in so long, but then I do prefer to do them on screen because when I'm on screen, because I tend to get interrupted otherwise by what's going on, you know, nail-wise. And I like to give them my full attention. I do miss it, though. It will be back. I've got screenshots. I miss, you know, making fun of people who leave me nasty comments. Mostly because the majority of them are illiterate, which I have no issue with. I don't judge. But if you're going to leave me a shitty comment, I'm going to use it against you. Because you've left me a shitty comment, just giving me the fuel. I can't resist. So I promise that will come back soon. Look at this colour. Holy macaroni and cheese. Ah, with garlic bread. Yes. But that Marks and Spencer's garlic bread. Oh, the Marks and Spencer's garlic flatbreads. So good. They kind of all, and let's not talk about food. It's 1:23 in the morning. And I don't want to have to go downstairs and start cooking. I do tend to go downstairs in the middle of the night and either have like some cereal or ice cream. 3 a.m. ice cream? Why not? So I think I do 2 coats. Well, I do 2 coats of all of them, but I'm not sure whether I did 2 or 3 of that black one because it's a bit sheer. But this is the first collection, the Wicked collection, was it called? It said on the box. You saw. That's your responsibility to have noticed that. I wasn't looking. So that's the first collection. It's so good. That shimmery one is obviously you can build it up, but you would put it over the top of something. Look at my nails, by the way. Oh, I need to show you a clip of my nails before we carry on. Hang on. Okay, these were my nails at Christmas. The collection I'm about to show you is the Christmas one. I did nail art on myself, and this is my left hand, and I'm left-handed, so I painted the stars and moon with my non-dominant hand. I do have a video for this look. They're Born Pretty cat eyes, and they're reflective, and this is with the flash on. So I had nail art. I haven't had painted my nails since Christmas. Actually, I did it once in one of the colours that I'm going to show you later on in this video, but I picked it off after like 2 days because I had a panic attack. And it wasn't like anxious picking, it was like, I need this off me. Like, all jewellery has to come off, everything has to come off. And I was like, I felt like my fingers were in a cage, so I had to pick it off. So I lasted like 3 days, and now they're naked again. So essentially they've been naked since Christmas. But there we go. I do have nail art on myself. Huzzah! This is the Christmas collection. So I didn't get all of the Christmas collection, and that was because there was a green, I think, that I already had. Oh, but look at this! This is bananas. This was the limited edition one that was released around the Christmas time. There was a limited edition one with the Wicked collection, the Halloween one that we just saw, but I didn't get it because I didn't realise. Oh, and it was this one, Hex Girl. I didn't get it at the time because I thought it was part of the set, and then I was like, oh shit, it's not. But it had sold out, and also shipping for just one thing was like, nah. So I got it around Christmas time. They had it back in stock. Was that explanation enough? Did I need to? Yeah, we okay? So I'm going to swatch the ones I got from the Christmas collection and Hex Girl, which was the limited edition from the Halloween collection. So we will swatch those now. How is everybody doing? Is everybody okay? Thank you all so much for all your comments. I do read them all, and they really do cheer me up whilst I'm going through this kind of rough patch with anxiety. I had to cancel last minute on Ali the other day, who watches my videos, and I feel awful, and we haven't texted since I cancelled, but I've just, in the daytimes, I'm just not doing so good. In the evenings, that's my time. No one's expecting anything of me. I've taken taken some tablets that help me calm a bit, and I feel okay. But in the daytime, not so much. So thank you for your comments. They mean the world to me. I don't mean to brush that off quickly, but we need to get back to some nail stuff, okay? Stop changing the subject. So that's the Halloween collection and some of the Christmas collection, all on the same size pops. Look at how nicely they're labelled. It makes me happy. Organised labels. Very neat. And then the next lot is, I don't know. I'll have to wait till it comes on screen. I've no idea. What is it? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. These. So there was one in one of the collections I've just shown you that she said that everyone was like, we need that in different colours. So these are they're called I can't remember what they're called. I'll put it on screen. But I also got brushes, which I got at the beginning. I think she brought brushes out first. Oh no, that was it. She brought the blue and the pink one out first, and then the purple. So they're different lengths, and then they've all got clean up ends or blendy ends on the other end. These brushes, amazing. Seriously, I cannot fault them at all. And tools make obviously a huge difference in your work. So if you want to do, sorry, I've got a frog forming in my throat. If you want to work on line work and things like that, characters or whatever, I really recommend those brushes. I love them. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I'm just giving you my honest opinion. I love them. So this collection is all these sorts of colours, and they look gorgeous over any other colour or over black. They look really cool. Oh, they're called the Rainbow Ice bundle. It's 4 of them, but you can buy them separately. So we're going to swatch those. What was I talking about before? I was saying, oh, this one. Don't even get me started on this colour. I want to fill a bathtub with it, get in it, then get out the bathtub and go on a sunbed and cure it on my body. Then I'd need to top coat though. Might be a bit troublesome walking after that, or just living after doing that. Yeah, I was asking how you all are. I hope you're all okay, and you, the gang, mean the world to me. I hope you know that. And most of you are on the other side of the planet. My folks got back from another stint in Florida recently. Mumsy bought me back a t-shirt with some sports stuff on it. Wait, what was it called? There was a thing, it's big in the US. It's not big anywhere else in the world. And I can never remember what it's called. The name always just falls out my head. But because the name, I remember, gives absolutely no clue as to what the event is. It's called the Super Bowl. There we go. We got there. It's in a drawer somewhere in my brain. But yeah, she got me a t-shirt that's got like some team logos on it. Whoever was playing, I guess. I have no idea. I could literally walk into a bar. Oh, look at those colours. Why am I doing Santa's suit with that separately? Did I get that? Must have just randomly... that's one of the Christmas ones that I didn't get when the Christmas collection came out and then gave in and got it later. But look at these. And then over black. Holy moly. How gorgeous are they? With some like little special effects, aren't they? I love those. They're stunning. And then we have the latest collection, which is the Love Potion collection. When I open this, you'll see that I've got 2 of the same colour in there by mistake. I emailed them and told them, and they replied within like minutes. I think her husband replied, and they sent me out the correct one, which I'll show you in the swatching. My box had 2 Coven Cuties and it was missing sugar something, sugar and spice. Spicy sugar? I don't know. Spicy sugar. Yeah, I could walk into a bar in the US and it could be filled with every American football player, every basketball player, baseball player. Oh, Dark Hearts. This was the limited edition for the most recent collection. I got 2 because I'm greedy. Oh yeah, you get stickers as well. So I've just been collecting them. Yeah, I got 2 of the limited edition ones because it's gorgeous. I had it on in the last video. That was before I then picked it all off. But yeah, I could walk into a pub full of famous American sports people and have absolutely zero idea who any of them are, which I think would probably be the case for most of the people in the rest of the world. Not that it would faze me if I did know who they are. People are just people, you know. We all blow our nose in the shower. Yeah, don't pretend you don't. They also sent me a picture. Again, I'm not talking about what the colours look like. They're gorgeous and pretty and you can see. They sent me a picture of a crocodile in a lake where they were staying. Wait, was it a crocodile or an alligator? What are there in Florida? Is there both? Was it I don't know. I'm going to say crocodile, but I think I mean alligator. This is the one that was missing and they sent me. And they said that last time they were there was a woman's dog got taken by a crocodile. So she went to save it. The croc thought, oh, you look much tastier. And she got eaten. She got killed. I mean, as dumb as it is in hindsight, you would try and save your dog, wouldn't you? If a crocodile got Dexter, I mean, firstly, I'd be really confused as to how a crocodile wound up in West Sussex. But I probably would try to save him. Like, grab the dog and run. Oh, look at Dark Hearts. So good. That's why I got 2. But what a horrible way to go. It made me really sad. Imagine if everyone was told how they were going to die. like on your 18th birthday. Okay, you're an adult now. Here's how you're going to die. And you open the envelope. You're handed an envelope, by the way. It's a very formal affair. Black tie, ball gown, all that jazz. There's a band. So you open your envelope and it says, eaten by crocodile. I mean, come on. Mine would be much less newsworthy, I think. A much less newsworthy event. It'd be like a Rube Goldberg type death. You know, I'd spill a glass of water and then like bend down to clear it up, but slip on the spillage, slide across the kitchen floor, and then like through the hall, out the front door, which was conveniently blown open, and then get up all like dazed and confused and wander into the road where a passing dog poo bin collector van would like run into me, toss me up into the air so high that I land in a tree, in a crow's nest. My brains are hanging out, so Mummy Crow takes a few bites, regurgitates it into the squawking beaks of her crow babies. And that's it. That's how I go. All because I spilled some water, which, incidentally, wasn't my fault. Someone knocked into me. So technically, I was murdered. Anyway, they're back from Florida, where they were very surprised to learn that recycling wasn't a thing. Like, they kept asking where they separate their rubbish into rubbish and recycling. And apparently everyone they asked said it isn't a thing, which is quite concerning. They did have a waste disposal though, which is a thing over here, but Mum doesn't have one and she loved it. Oh, she did say that they accidentally got the plug, fell into it, and they didn't know what it was, so they just kept pressing the button and shredded the plug. But they did miss a proper cup of tea and proper cheese and proper cream. Apparently there's cheese in a can. That should be illegal. They like the food over there, but it's like the same as food over here, but they've somehow managed to find a way to make it 4 times as calorific. So Mum always goes on a bit of a health kick when she gets back. I guess that's what holidays are for. But there you go. It's not nail related at all, but I can't describe what colours look like. So there we go. We got through the swatching. Way! And this is the Love Potion, they're called, collection. Really gorgeous. That Moonstruck. Although turns out I do have a Man Up Glam colour that is identical. Can't remember what it's called. If you want to know, leave a comment and I'll find out. So this is the Love Potion collection. I'll show you all the colours together in a sec. It's all of her colours apart from 1, 2 or 3 from the Christmas collection. Might be 1 or 2 or 3. But I'll show you them all together. They're really nice colours. Her website is ballpitshop.com, I think. I'll put a link to it in the description. Look at all of them. They're so nice. The first 2 look the same on camera, but they're not. The next video is going to be using the Madame Glam Builder Gels. We're going to do a baby boomer with Builder Gels because that used to terrify me, but I think I might have figured it out. So that's what we're going to try and do. Haven't filmed it yet, might not end up doing it, but that's the plan. I hope you like this video. I appreciate being here so much. I really do. Like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.